there's a lot of other stuff that's weighing a lot more than 150,000 barrels. So I think markets are more wary about what Trump's going to do next. Yes, sanctions, no, not sanctions. Yes, tariffs, no tariffs. I'm going to make a deal with Russia. Now I'm going to put actually sanctions on Russia. All this kind of stuff. So I think that kind of yes, no kind of approach is starting, I think, to stop a lot of people out of positions, and not just on oil, but also on stuff like, S&P and all this kind of stuff. And I think that if they aren't very careful, they're going to break something. So at some point, people will just say, I don't want to play anymore, sell. And I think basically you saw a lot of that last week, where basically the US was down, but Europe was up, and I think basically people are getting out of the US because of this quote unquote uncertainty. And I think they went into Europe, and then when they saw what Europe was doing vis-a-vis Ukraine, that we're in for the long haul, we're going to finance everything and do everything. Well, they're like, oh God, they're crazy on this side as well, and they sold that as well. So it's going to be very interesting to see. But again, I don't think OPEC plus adding 150,000 barrels is going to make a material difference. I think the market mood is bearish, sentiment is bearish, and unless this a game of chicken basically is not a game in which basically people want to take risk.